For those of our viewers just tuning in, let me just recap what's happened in the last couple of minutes. A blast outside gate number 5 of the Delhi High Court. This is a very crowded gate. In fact, we're going to be now getting you images of just what's been happening there. That's the High Court for you. That is gate number 5 of the High Court, where that blast has just taken place. Just a short while back, several people have been injured. In fact, we are told that there may also be casualties here. Waiting for some sort of official word on that. The blast taking place, and there are now fears that some people might be severely injured. There may also have been casualties here. The explosion taking place at outside, in fact, gate number 5. We're told that around 20 people may have been injured. There's no confirmation on that, but eyewitnesses there saying that there could be a lot of casualties. In fact, some people who may have been very, very severely injured. Well, that's the big breaking news we're tracking for you. Those are images that we are now getting from the Delhi High Court. That's why that explosion's taken place just 4 months after we saw the last blast here. That was a relatively low intensity explosion and one that didn't cause too much damage, but this one could be much worse. No confirmation yet on the nature of injuries and the nature of blasts, just how serious those injuries are, but we are tracking all of that for you. That's the big story that we are on this morning. The morning calm clearly shattered. This is outside gate number 5, a gate that is very popular with visitors as well as with journalists who also use this gate fairly frequently. This is the live images that we're getting now from the Delhi High Court. Blast taking place outside gate number 5. Well, we've been speaking to our team of correspondents reporting that initially eyewitnesses said that there was a lot of smoke all around this area. Some reports coming in of the explosive, in fact, being kept in the post, but of course no confirmation on that. The focus at the moment to get the injured out of here, to get them some sort of medical attention. We're told that they're being in fact rushed to hospitals in the vicinity. No exact number of the number of people who've been injured or the nature of injuries. We're told that some in fact could have been grievously injured. We're trying to get more confirmation on all of that. This happening just 4 months after the last explosion took place here. Blast near gate number 5 of the Delhi High Court. Well, we're now being told that 2 people, in fact, may have died in this blast at the Delhi High Court. The blast taking place outside gate number 5, one which sees a fair amount of crowds as well. Well, several people, in fact, have been injured as well. Tejas Mehta joining us on the phone line for more on this. Tejas, what's the latest that you can add?
Well, we do know it's at gate number 5. Now, this is a crowded gate, and that's why the injuries could certainly go up. At this point of time, police only confirming that about 5 to 6 people have been injured, and not more than that. But of course, they also just reached the spot some time back, and they also just looking into the entire how serious the seriousness of the blast, how strong and powerful the entire explosion was. Now, just a few months ago, at another gate itself, a minor blast had taken place. In that point of time, sources had told us in the Delhi police that actually the way they had planted the bomb was wrong. The way they had made the bomb also was wrong, and that could have been a module of one of the terrorist organizations in the country. And that's the reason why the blast at that point of time was not so powerful. But this time around, it does appear that this explosion is a little more is far more powerful than the one we saw a few months back at the Delhi High Court, and therefore the seriousness of the blast is much greater, and the injuries also would increase. Natasha.